tomatoes, we've got some chicken, we've got some bits that we love. So we're going to make a beautiful summery dish.
That's the normal potato.
A potato!
Yeah!
And they're going into a hot oil pan. And in with this, I'm going to add some garlic and some paprika. Not too hot, because obviously we're all eating it. And guys, why not press the follow button for more? So I've realised it. And thank you very much for following, sharing and commenting on the page. I love reading the comments after the videos, and I try and get back to each and every one of you.
Is it going good, Vinny? Yeah. All good?
And next in go the peppers.
Mummy.
Thank you, Vinny.
Mummy.
Have you done them?
Mummy.
You want to eat one? They're little.
Perfect. Is that done?
Done?
Yeah.
Not yet.
Can we put them in now? The chicken's burning.
Yeah. Quick.
I think we need to put them in now.
Yep.
The chicken's burning, Vinny. The chicken's burning. There you go, Mummy.
Thank
I've done the
you.
tomatoes.
So
Ready, Vinny? Watch. They go in there.
All those are going in. And then we're going to put the rice in.
Wow.
And this dish would be nice as well with pasta. You want to do it?
Yeah.
Can you, I tell you what, can you put it on this first?
You tip it in there, yeah.
You tip it on there. Go on then. You pop it on there.
Oh, good boy.
Thank you, because you love rice, don't you?
Wow, clever
Thank
boy.
you.
No, it's very hot.
Very hot.
Right, you can touch it, and then tip it in. Yeah, good boy, Vinny. You did
Thank
it.
you, sir.
You did it. Right, the next thing to do is add what? What are we adding, Vinny?
The cream.
Oh, the cream. Are we adding cream?
Yeah.
Cream.
Now, you don't have to add cream, but we like it creamy, so we're having the cream. And then you're going to add the cheese, aren't you?
My cheese. Mama.
Very good. That's enough.
Yay. Just
Thank you.
put it all in, lad.
And then we're going to stir it all up, aren't we?
Yeah.
Very good.
Ma.
More? Bit
More? Just get it in, son.
Oh.
Done.
Done.
Ma.
Done.
Perfect.
And some left for on the top after. And that is ready to serve up. Absolutely huge portion here that we all love. And you can actually put your cheese on top now, Vinny, okay?
Very hot, Vinny, very hot. Be careful. That's enough.
Mummy's yellow one.
Are you going to add some cheese on it?
Cheese.
Are you doing it with your hand? Wow.
Cheese is life.
Good
Vinny.
boy.
Mommy cheese.
Mummy's cheese.
Cheese. Cheese.
And who else is?
Daddy.
Daddy's cheese. And look how much we've got left as well.
Thank you, Vinny. That's perfect. It's enough for me. It's enough for me.
No, no. No, no.
Okay, Vinny, how did you find that meal? Was that an easy meal to make?
Yeah.
It's a very emotional meal, but we got there in the end. Add a little bit more cheese, yes, add more cheese.
Should we try it?
And there's one thing left to do is try it. Is that good?
Yeah.
Yeah, cheese tax. That's going to be well too hot for you, that mate, isn't it?
We'll just wait a second, won't we?
Let's blow it first. You want to try the chicken? Have a try. More cheese. Have a taste. Taste some chicken. Have a taste.
Right, just let him...
No, Vinny doesn't want
get the rice.
any. Right, here we go.
Wait.
Right, there you go. You try that.
Let's have a taste. Gorgeous. Creamy.
Bingo.
Add some more cheese when you want. There you go, guys. Yeah, give it a try.
Bingo.
And enjoy cooking with the kids this Easter.